Very good morning. Today we are going to study the structure of nephron. What is the nephron? How is the structure of nephron formed? And so on. So a nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. It is said that a nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay? So if suppose you have a kidney, okay, you have a kidney. Each kidney contains about how much? About 1 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh of nephron. अगर किडनी is made up of nephron, तो किडनी में क्या है? Nephron है. So who will work in the kidney? Nephron. So it is said that nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. So nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. So I can say that it is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Let us study how the nephron looks. Okay. First, we draw a Bowman's capsule. Okay. We draw a Bowman's capsule. While reading last time, we have come across these words, Bowman's capsule. Okay. So it is the PCT which I am drawing with. ठीक है, एकदम आराम से ड्रॉ करना है, एकदम आराम से. ओके, this is the handy loop I am drawing with. Here it narrows. Okay. Narrow, and then it will again become dilated. Okay, now we are going to study the other parts. Somebody need to mute yourself. Some noise is coming. This is the afferent arteriole I am trying with. It will go inside, coiling, uncoiling, supercoiling, and will come out. ये जो है, is thick compared with the efferent one. It is thicker, and ये thin रहेगा. ठीक है? ठीक है? ना इसके एक ब्रांच इधर आएगा और ब्रांच इसके अंदर से घूमेगा, जाएगा हर जगह पे. और ये ब्रांच इसमें मिक्स हो जाएगा. ये देखना इधर कैसा है. इधर एक लूप बनाएगा, नेटवर्क पूरा एक नेटवर्क लूप बना रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहां से ही ब्रांच आएगा, इसमें जाएगा, इधर से ब्रांच इधर. मतलब ऐसा कोई डेफिनेट ऑर्डर नहीं है. ठीक है, इट कुड बी एनीवेयर एंड इट गोज रैंडमली. ठीक है, this is a basic structure of nephron I drawn with. Okay, I have drawn with. Let us write the name. Naming system करते हैं इसका, labeling करते हैं. This one is the Bowman's capsule. चलो थोड़ा सा काम रहेगा. Okay. These are podocyte cells which I am drawing with. थोड़ा डिटेल में स्टडी करते हैं. They are podocyte cells. Now, certain cells like over here. Now, these cells, this one, the entire big one is the Bowman's capsule. We call it as the name as Bowman's capsule. Pura. Bowman's capsule. And this part, the red part pura network is the glomerulus. क्या नाम है इसका? Glomerulus. Bowman's capsule और glomerulus को together एक नाम दिया गया है and it is called as Malpighian body. अलग-अलग बुक में अलग-अलग नाम दिया रहता था पहले. Malpighian body बोलते थे या Malpighian corpuscle बोलते थे. Corpuscle बोलते थे या फिर Pygmalion corpuscle भी बोलते थे. Pygmalion corpuscle बोलते थे. Okay, या तो Malpighian body, Malpighian corpuscle and Pygmalion corpuscle ऐसे बहुत सारे नाम. Now this one is the PCT. It is proximal convoluted tubule. ये जो है इसका नाम है PCT. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? PCT. PCT का फुल फॉर्म है proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal मतलब nearby, convoluted मतलब coiled tubule. ठीक है? And ये जो है, this one is the Henle's loop. इसको बोलते हैं Henle's loop. And ये जो है, जो coiled network है, इसका नाम है Vasa recta. और इसका नाम क्या है? DCT. क्या है? DCT. DCT म्हणजे DCT मतलब क्या? Distal convoluted tubule. ये जो है, this part is the last part is the collecting duct or this part. Don't take this part. चलो इस part को लेते हैं और अच्छे से करते हैं. This is the collecting duct बोलो या फिर tubule बोलो. Now ये जो है, ये जो नेटवर्क यहाँ पे आ रहा है, इसका नाम है, ये है efferent arteriole. क्या? Efferent arteriole. This one is afferent arteriole. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the diagram of a structure of nephron. The topic is, what is the topic is? Structure of nephron. You may have this diagram to be drawn in exam for few marks, say 2 to 3 marks. If it comes for explanation, maybe ask for 5 marks, but not full, but few part of it. Okay. So nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Each kidney contains about 1 million to each kidney contains 1 million to 1.2 million of nephrons. एक किडनी में कितना है? 8 मिलियन से 1.2 मिलियंस ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. समझ में आया? एक किडनी में 1 to 1.2 मिलियंस ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. So nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. The length of nephron, single nephron का length of nephron is about 5 centimeter to 7 centimeter. A length of nephron is about 5 centimeter to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, a nephron is surrounded by, you can see, there is a network of blood capillaries called as peritubular network of blood capillaries. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Peritubular network of blood capillaries. ठीक है? A nephron is surrounded by, each nephron is surrounded by peritubular network of blood capillaries. A single nephron is surrounded by peritubular network of blood capillaries. Okay, a single nephron is surrounded by peritubular network of blood capillaries. It is made up of two parts. Those parts are divided. It is made up of two parts. One, Malpighian body. Okay, the Malpighian corpuscle, and second, tubule. It is made up of two parts, Malpighian body and tubule. The tubule is made up of PCT, Henle's loop, and DCT. 18 parts. PCT, Henle's loop, and DCT. So let us study Malpighian body or Malpighian corpuscle. It is made up of two parts, glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Okay, it is made up of two parts, the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus, what is the glomerulus? What is the glomerulus? क्या है glomerulus? Glomerulus is the network of blood capillaries. Glomerulus क्या है? It is the network of blood capillaries. What is the glomerulus? It is a network of, पूरा नेट जैसा है, किसके जैसा? ब्लड कैपिलरीज का. It is the network of blood capillaries. Okay, each जो glomerulus, the glomerular blood capillaries are 50 times more permeable than any other capillaries of body. So what I want to tell you is that the capillary of glomerular, the glomerular capillaries are much more permeable, 50 times more permeable than any other blood capillary of our body. What do you mean by permeable? Passage, ability to pass. So what I am telling you, a nephron is made up of basically two parts, the Malpighian body, okay, Malpighian body, and the tubule. The Malpighian body is made up of two parts, the glomerulus, okay, and the Bowman's capsule. You come to say. Now we'll go ahead. The glomerulus, what is the glomerulus? It is made up of network of blood capillaries. पूरा एक net जैसा blood capillaries, okay. It collects more blood from broad afferent arteriole, है ना? Glomerulus क्या है? It collects more blood. ज़्यादा blood वो collect करता है. Glomerulus क्या करता है? It collects more blood from broad afferent arteriole, ज्यादा ब्लड लेता है फ्रॉम ब्रॉड एफरेंट आर्टेरियल, और ये भी चीज इधर कंटिन्यू करता हूं, एंड गिव्स आउट लेस ब्लड टू नैरो डिफरेंट आर्टेरियल। मतलब ज्यादा ब्लड अंदर जाता है और कम ब्लड बाहर आता है ना। एफरेंट आर्टेरियल से ज्यादा ब्लड अंदर जाता है और कम ब्लड बाहर आता है। सो टू ड्यू टू लार्ज इनफ्लो, ज्यादा इनफ्लो है एंड लेस आउटफ्लो ऑफ ब्लड इन द ग्लोमेरुलस, so a pressure is generated and the pressure is called as ultrafiltration. क्या होता है? ultrafiltration. What is ultrafiltration? क्या लिखेगा ultrafiltration? Filtration under pressure. What is ultrafiltration? It is the filtration under pressure is called as ultrafiltration. Filtration under pressure is called as ultrafiltration. So due to large inflow of blood to the glomerulus and less outflow of blood from the glomerulus, a pressure is generated called as ultrafiltration. Now क्या होता क्या है ultrafiltration में? What happens in ultrafiltration? क्या होता है ultrafiltration में? अब लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे ultrafiltration में क्या होता है, लिखेंगे, okay? Harmful, the blood जो अंदर गया किडनी में through afferent artery contains harmful substances like harmful substances like urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. are filtered out. समझ में आया? वो फिल्टर आउट हो जाता है, फिल्टर हो जाता है, निकल जाता है। ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? क्या लिखने का? A nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Each kidney contains about 1 million to 1.2 millions of nephron. The length of nephron is 5 centimeter to 7 centimeter. Each single nephron is surrounded by a peritubular network of blood capillaries. It is made up of two parts, the Malpighian body and the tubule. The Malpighian body is made up of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The tubule is made up of PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop and DC, distal convoluted tubule. ठीक है? फिर क्या लिखने का? Glomerulus. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillaries. It's 50 times more. The capillaries are 50 times more permeable than any other capillary of our body. It collects more blood from broad afferent arteriole. It collects more blood. It मतलब कौन? Glomerulus collects more blood from broad afferent arteriole. It is broad, and it gives out less blood. Gives out less blood through narrow efferent arteriole narrow. So due to large inflow and less outflow of blood in the glomerulus, due to large inflow and less outflow of blood in the glomerulus, a pressure is developed called as ultrafiltration. I repeat, due to large inflow of blood to the glomerulus and less outflow of blood from the glomerulus, a pressure is generated called as ultrafiltration. This filtration under pressure. During ultrafiltration, the blood containing harmful substances like urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. are filtered. Okay? इतना समझा सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to study the glomerulus in detail. Now glomerulus we did. Bowman's capsule now. What is the Bowman's capsule? It is a cup-shaped structure, isn't it? Look, it looks like a cup, now. Cup-shaped structure that holds glomerulus. Correct? It is holding the glomerulus. It is internally lined by two type of cells. These cells are, which is towards the glomerulus, are called as podocytes. And these cells which is away from glomerulus are called as parietal cells. You can see this diagram of parietal cells. Parietal cells. Okay, lined by podocytes. Why it is called as podocytes? The word podo means food. The word cytes means cells. So they are food like पैर जैसा दिखता है. ठीक है? Now समझो ये ऐसा दिया है कुछ. It appears food like. एक पोडोसाइट दूसरा पोडोसाइट तीसरा पोडोसाइट के बीच में there is a space called as स्लिट पोर. क्या बोलते हैं? स्लिट. ठीक है. अभी क्या होता है, अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन के बाद जब वेस्ट मटेरियल कम्स टू द Bowman's capsule, the waste material comes to Bowman's capsule. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा all the. So during ultra filtration the harmful substances comes to Bowman's capsule, है ना? क्या लिखने का? During ultra filtration के टाइम पे ब्लड कंटेनिंग इम्प्यूरिटीज ना, जो उन्होंने लिखा था इम्प्यूरिटीज लाइक यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया एक्सेट्रा आर filtered to Bowman's capsule. क्या? Bowman's तो Bowman's capsule से फिल्टर हो जाता है. Bowman's capsule में फिल्टर हो जाता है. फिल्टर किस पे आ जाता है? ठीक है ना? तो अभी क्या हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे? क्या? टिब्यूल. टिब्यूल में आता है पहला PCT, प्रॉक्सिमल कन्वोल्यूटेड टिब्यूल. क्या नाम है इसका? PCT. PCT is proximal convoluted tubule. What is the proximal convoluted tubule? It is present between the Malpighian body and Henle's loop. तो किधर है ये? It is between Malpighian body MB and Henle's loop, that is HL. बराबर है ना? दोनों के बीच में. ठीक है? It is internally lined by. क्या है इसका खास बात? इसको inner lining जो है, ये सब जो tubule है, okay, ये tubule है. It is internally lined by finger-like projections. इसका जो inner lining है, वो ऐसा जाएगा. Finger-like projection. और इसको नाम है माइक्रोविलाई. क्या नाम है इसका? माइक्रोविलाई. दूसरा नाम है ब्रश बॉर्डर. So it is internally lined by माइक्रोविलाई और ब्रश बॉर्डर. ठीक है? कौन? PCT. क्या? PCT. PCT का डायग्राम है. ठीक है, proximal convoluted tubule. It is internally lined by finger-like projections called microvilli or breast border. तो इसका description में क्या लिखने का? It is internally lined by finger-like projections. क्या? Finger-like projections called microvilli or breast border. The microvilli or breast border. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है ड्यूरिंग अल्ट्राफिल्ट्रेशन? क्या होता है हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस? देखो ड्यूरिंग अल्ट्राफिल्ट्रेशन हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस लाइक यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया आर फिल्टर्ड. ठीक है, बट नाउ क्या है, एक चीज मैं बताया नहीं, बताता हूँ. द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द फिल्ट्रेट, ये जो फिल्ट्रेट बना है, द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ फिल्ट्रेट इज इक्वल टू द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ब्लड प्लाज्मा. तो यहां पे मैं लिख लेता हूं concentration of filtrate of Bowman's capsule is equal to concentration of filtrate of blood plasma. Blood plasma मतलब liquid part of the blood. Blood has two parts, solid part and liquid part. The liquid part is called as plasma. Okay, let's copy this part. एक बार फिर से मैं explain करता हूँ, सुनो. ठीक है, the piece, the Henle's loop is made up of descending limb and ascending limb. The descending limb is broad in the upper two-third, narrow in the lower one-third. The upper two-third part, broad, is permeable to salt, impermeable to water. The lower one-third is permeable to water and impermeable to salt. Together, it is called as osmoregulation. It is surrounded by, and this will be surrounded by a special network of blood capillaries called as vasa aorta. The DCT is the large part of the nephron and function is tubular secretion.